Welcome back to Play Opera with Welsh National Opera. My name is Ruth and I'm really excited about today's episode. Thank you for sending in your WNO challenges this week. It was great to read your imaginative stories that you came up with. And some of you sent in more acts of kindness. Brilliant! You can't have enough kindness in the world, so keep up the good work. We're going to dance the can-can and we're going to sing a song about the man who wrote the tune, Offenbach. After that, we're going to meet a mezzo-soprano. A mezzo-soprano is a female singer with a medium-high voice, and she is going to take us to sunny Spain, where we will meet her opera character Carmen and discover her opera story. So, let's meet some people from the orchestra. First up, we have trombonist Alan and timpanist Patrick.
Hi guys!
Hi Ruth, hi.
Hi, so this is Alan and Patrick. Alan, what have you got there?
Hi everyone, this is my trombone. It's a nice shiny instrument and it's got a few bits, it's got a bell, that's where the sound comes out. It's got this brilliant bit here, the slide.
Wow, and how do you make a sound on the trombone?
Yeah, the trombone is a brass instrument and it works by air. And that air is generated by me, by my body. So I blow out through my mouth and then get my lips to buzz, making this sound. Which I do into the mouthpiece, and then that sounds like this. And the mouthpiece goes in the trombone, which is basically a tube that's just wound up. It's like kind of got a bit there, and then it's got another end there, and then the sound comes out the bell, and it sounds like this.
Wow!
But because I've got the slide, something special characteristic about a trombone is if I blow a note, keep it going and move the slide, it makes this famous noise that you all know about the trombone.
Well, Patrick, what do you play?
I play the timpani, which are basically like the big copper cooking pots. I sit at the back of the orchestra and they're big bowls like this, and they sound like this boom, 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 boom. But unfortunately, the orchestra own my instruments, so I haven't got any copper cooking pots at home. So I've got a few pots and pans maybe to play on, and I play them with these big sticks which have fluffy wool ends on. And people think it looks like cotton, big giant cotton buds, but that's what I do. So I sit at the back making a lot of noise, usually by myself.
Oh, question, Patrick, if you could have any superpower, what would it be?
Well, I love Harry Potter, and he has an invisibility cloak in Harry Potter, doesn't he? So my superpower, if I could do anything, would be to be invisible.
Oh, wow, cool. Well, lovely to meet you guys. Thank you so much, and bye for now.
Now we've got 9 musicians playing the can-can all together. The can-can is a dance from nearly 200 years ago. It's very energetic and full of jumping and kicks. See if you can join in with me. the can-can by Offenbach. You can separate his name into 3 sounds: off, en, bach. So, Offenbach was born in Germany and he went to study in the Paris Conservatoire, the Paris music school. He loved France so much that he spent most of his time there and even got French citizenship. Offenbach was known as being a bit of a prankster, and when he worked as a cello player in the Paris Opera, he even had his pay docked for playing pranks during performances. Very naughty. Can you say his name with me like this? Offenbach, 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 Offenbach. Brilliant. And then, because he was such a prankster, we're going to add in a little joke. It goes like this. Offenbach, Offenbach, bach, Offenbach, Offenbach, bach, Offenbach, Offenbach, bach, Offenbach, Offenbach, bach. Brilliant. Has anyone else got something that we could add?
Hi, I'm Hugh and I'm a tenor with the WNO chorus. I have a line. Would you like to try it with me? The words are, he really liked to laugh. Ha! Really liked to laugh. Ha! Really liked to laugh. Ha! 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 And the tune goes like this. He really liked to laugh. Ha! Really liked to laugh. Ha! Really liked to laugh. Ha! 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 Ha!
Hi everyone, my name's Lawrence and I'm a bass in the WNO chorus. Fun, he wrote operettas, short and fun. He wrote operettas, short and fun.
Offenbach, Offenbach, bach, Offenbach.
Really like to laugh, ha! Really like to laugh, ha! Really like to laugh, ha! 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 Ha!
Fun, he wrote operettas, short and fun. He wrote operettas, short and fun.
Now it's time to travel to Spain with our singer Helen. She has a medium high voice, so she's a mezzo-soprano, and she's going to be singing Habanera from Bizet's opera Carmen. Habanera is a Cuban dance, and you can hear the habanera rhythm in the music, like this. Habanera, habanera. Helen, or should I say Carmen, is singing about the crazy, unpredictable nature of love.
Hi, my name's Helen and I'm a mezzo.
La pala bien l'autre se
Spain and she falls in love with a soldier, Don Jose. So they run away together and everything is fine until Carmen changes her mind and she falls in love with a bullfighter, Escamillo, while watching him in action. So, just like last week, I'm not going to tell you what happens at the end of Carmen. What I'd like you to do is to come up with your own ending of what you think happens next and send it to this email, or take a picture of it and post it on social media, #WNO Challenge. Thanks so much for watching and thank you to all of our musicians who were here with us today. Join us next week where we will meet the whole of WNO Chorus. That's over 30 singers. Plus, we will meet one of the team from the amazing costume department. But from us at Play Opera, see you next week.